Hey everybody, it's Google Wednesday 2019-2020, and today we're going to be looking at creating book snaps. One of my favorite methods of combining the printed text with digital learning is having students create book snaps. Book snaps are created when students use their devices, take a picture of the book's text, and then annotate or record additional information. Today's Google Wednesday is going to take a look at how students can create book snaps using their Chromebooks. So to get started, we're going to go to Drive, and then from Drive, we're going to select a program we don't usually use very often, and that's called Google Drawings. And you find that by clicking More and then going to Google Drawings. Now, once Google Drawings comes up, it's just a blank slate, and I want to take a picture of my text. So on my Chromebook, I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and then I'm going to choose Camera, and it's going to automatically pull up the camera from my text or from my Chromebook. And I want to get page 123, looking at deliberate practice. I'm getting it as close to the camera as I can. It's a little tricky. Click the camera icon, and the picture pops up here, and I just click on it to highlight it and then click Insert. Now I can use these handles and just draw it a little bigger inside my jaw area, and I can use the crop tool. Use the crop tool to just crop off parts that I don't want to have in my picture. Now, since Google Draw doesn't have a highlighter tool, what we do is we use the line tool, and we use that to draw lines, underline the part of the text that we want to focus on. So here it's talking about, and I might want to change that color, that line color, to yellow, and we'll make it just a little thicker. So it's talking about deliberate practice and how each skill can be broken down into smaller components, and that we can pick apart those components and just practice those pieces. So now I've underlined the part of the text that was the most meaningful for me, or maybe it's a part of the text where they're learning a literary term or a definition. The next component to add to our book snap is a speech bubble or thought bubble. And so we go up here to our shapes and select callouts. And then down here you can select a speech bubble or thought bubble. And we draw that onto our image. And then we type in something relative to what we've underlined. This might be a good place to do vocabulary work. But in this case, I want to redefine what deliberate practice means. So deliberate practice means concentrating to improve a component of a skill. And I can now reshape my speech bubble. If I grab this gold diamond, I can move that around the speech bubble. So I might move this whole speech bubble down here below. Just like that. Another facet of the book snap is to give attribution to the author. So again, we're going to take a picture of the cover of the book. We're going to go to Insert, Image, Camera. Sometimes kids like to be in with the picture of their book. That's totally up to them. But for this one, I just want a picture of the book by itself. Oh, sorry. Now you can see here I have two pictures, so I want to make sure I click on the one that I actually want to insert, and then click Insert. And then again, I can use that crop tool to take out parts of the book. There we go. Whoop. Right. And now I can add or move this to another part of my book snap. One more optional piece to add to a book snap is just to add some graphics or some clip art. So we'll quick do look for some graphics that might go with deliberate practice. I think of things like running or jogging. So we'll see if we have some pieces that we can just quickly insert into here. So there you have it. We created a book snap on our Chromebook. I hope that you find use for a project like this in your classroom. Like we've mentioned throughout the whole video, it might be something where students are actually concentrating on some content or a concept or a skill that you deliberately want them to look for in the text, or they might just be sharing a piece of text with you that they appreciate or value.